Okay, so this question is fairly quick and easy. It's just getting to identify S, P, D, and F block elements. So I'm just going to show you the whole lot, right? Okay, so it's just knowing those zones on your periodic table. Okay, so group 1 and group 2 are S. You can kind of do it by shape, right? So those are your S block elements, okay? So this kind of would have been useful to do earlier in in the module, right? If you're only just getting to it now, you're like, oh, I should have done this earlier. The P is the ones over on this right-hand side, and look, you can see 6p electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across, right? It makes sense. This is why it's so much easier to use a periodic table to write electronic configurations and trying to memorize like arbitrary orders of filling. Your D block is in the middle, starting with 3D, okay? Coming straight out of your quantum numbers. And then your F block is the lanthanides and actinides down the bottom. So that's all the possible things you could be asked in this question. We were asked about the S block, so you would just shade group 1 and group 2 for the S block, okay? I can't see it asking you anything else apart from P, D, F, etc. So the D block, these guys right here, the D block, okay? Yeah, I better not do any more, otherwise I've literally answered the whole thing for you. And where's the fun in that?